Hi guys, welcome to AppTeacham. In this video, I will be showing you how you can accept the offer letter that Cognizant has recently released and how you can perform the background verification check smoothly. Before watching this video, make sure you have subscribed to AppTeacham so that you can get updates of more such useful videos. Before starting the video, I would request you to watch the entire video and then you can follow up the process, because even a slightest mistake can lead to delay in your onboarding path. So Cognizant has recently released the offer letters, and they have also released the mail for the pre-joining formalities. They have clearly mentioned these instructions in this mail. Now, if you see in the mail, in the instruction section, first you have to click on this click here button. You have to right click on it and click on copy link address and open a new browser in incognito tab and paste that URL in it. After that, you can see a new window opening. Your registered email ID will be mentioned over here, and then click on this send code. You will receive a verification code on your registered mail. After you click on the send code button, you will be getting another window. Again, here your registered mail will be present. You should enter the mail, the verification code that you received on your mail in this section. And after that, you have to click on sign in button. Then again, a new pop-up window will appear saying that permission requested by, and you have to click on accept button, and one more pop-up window will appear saying that let's keep your account secure. Again, click on next. After doing so, you will be receiving one Microsoft Authenticator pop-up. You have to click on this download now button. After clicking it, you will be redirected to a browser page, and if you scroll down on it, you can see two QR codes on it. One will be for Android and other is for the iOS. So based on your mobile OS, through your phone, scan that QR code and download and install that Microsoft Authenticator. And once the installation is completed on your mobile phone, click on this next button. So after doing so on your mobile phone, just enable the notification permission for the application, and then to add the account, click on work or school. After doing so, click on this next button. Again, one pop-up window will appear. It will be showing you a QR code over here. Now you have to scan this QR code using your phones, and after doing it, click on this next button. Then a number will be appearing on your desktop screen. Click you have to enter that number on your Microsoft Authenticator on your phone, and after doing it, click on next button. After that, you will be getting this pop-up window. This shows that your actions were successful. Click on this next button, and you will get this final success message. Then click on this done button. After doing it, you will be redirected to this OneCognizant page, and if you scroll down on this page, you will be getting such an interface. You have to click on this review and accept offer button. And after doing so, if you scroll down again, you will see this interface. You have to click on this accept offer, and then they have asked you about your location preference 1, location preference 2, the tentative exam date, tentative exam result date, and tentative available date of provisional certificate. After filling all these formalities, click on the submit button. After that, you will be redirected to this interface, and you have to click on the start now button. Now you will see this pop-up window. So there are certain numbers over here. And if you click on first number, you will see some instruction. Read those instructions thoroughly. Similarly, if you click 2, you will see some instruction. So make sure you cover all this instruction, and when you have clicked 8, a checkbox will appear at the bottom. So just mark that checkbox and click and sign in option that appears below it. And after that, click on save. Again, after that, you have to click on this 9 and do the same. A checkbox will appear at the bottom. Mark it check and click the sign in and click the save. After that, you have to click this submit button. Again, after doing so, you will get an interface saying that thanks for accepting the offer. Once you have received this, you go and check your mailbox. You must have received the offer status update mail with Cognizant. And after getting this mail, after 3 to 48 hours, you will be receiving the background verification check mail. So once you have received your BGV mail, this is what your background verification mail looks like. Click on this here button and you will be again directed to the window which appeared previously. Click on the send code button. You will receive the verification code on your register mail. Enter that code again, and again a number will appear on your screen. Enter it on your Authenticator app on the mobile phone. So after doing all this, you will be redirected to this page and you have to click on this background verification tab. After clicking on it, such type of interface will appear on your screen. You have to first fill this personal information, and to do so you have to click on this down arrow button. Now there are many things that you have to fill over here, so make sure you fill all those information correctly with no spelling mistakes. So these are the personal details that you have to fill. Your name, last name, father's name, date of birth, your nationality, place of birth, gender, marital status, email ID, country code, your phone number. You can skip the alternate phone numbers. Then you have to enter your PAN card details. And after that, you have to fill all this address detail. Make sure you are filling it correctly. So after doing that, you can click on this view and edit button to verify if you have entered all the information correctly. After doing this, the status will be changed to complete, and then you can click on this tab to add the education. Now click on this add education button. You will be saying add 10 standard, 12 standard, UG, PG. So one by one go on adding it. So when you click on the 10 standard, they will ask about which board you have studied in, the school name, percentage or the CGPA, and start and end date of your academic session. Similarly, you have to click it for the 12th, UG and PG. If you have been studying PG, you can add it also. After completing your personal information and education, you will see the document upload section appearing on it. You have to click on this down button. And after clicking on it, you have to upload your 10, 12 UG certificates, your verification, government verification IDs, the letter of authorization, and campus affidavit. So you can upload it by clicking it over here. Make sure all your files are below 15 MB. So first you have to upload the 10th mark sheet, then 12th mark sheet. In case you don't have any of the document, you just have to click over here and a pop-up window will appear asking you the reason for it. Write the valid reason, whatever it may be. And in this section, like if you have completed your 8th semester, create a PDF of 6 semester mark sheet and upload in this, and the remaining 2 mark sheet you can upload in this section. You can add your provisional certificate, your PAN card, passport, voter ID, e-sign and the campus affidavit. Now this you can download the form by clicking on it. You will need this application if you don't have the provisional certificate. You can just download this form and print it on a stamp paper and notary it with the seal and the signature. So once all this process is completed, submit button will appear and you have to click on that submit button. Now after completion of your background verification process, you will get such a mail saying that thank you, we have received the documents which you have uploaded on your BGV application, and in case they find any doubts or they are not able to complete your BGV, they will contact you again. If you have any doubts in the process, you can raise the query by going on this link. You can raise a query over there and you will receive the answer to your mail. So that was all about the offer letter acceptance and the BGV check process. Next, you will be getting your onboarding pass if your background verification occurs smoothly, and you will be receiving the joining location and the joining dates very soon. So stay prepared for it. And if you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section and I will try to help as much I can. And thank you for watching.